Welcome to Arda's Legends. In this video, we're going to explore some of the core concepts that shape your experience on the server. First, let's talk about roleplay characters. Your roleplay character is your persona within the server, a unique figure that you create and develop over time. These characters allow you to engage deeply with the server's lore and participate in various activities, including leading armies, engaging in diplomacy, or crafting stories. To start, you'll need to submit a character application that includes details like your character's name, background, and gear. Once approved, your character can earn titles, gain influence, and play a pivotal role in your faction's narrative. Next, we have regions. Regions are the fundamental territories on the server, each defined by natural boundaries. Controlling regions is crucial for expanding your faction's power. Each region is identified by a number on the server's claim map and can contain multiple claim builds. Your faction's control over these regions determines your influence and ability to expand. Claim builds are essential structures in Minecraft that represent your faction's settlements and military outposts. They can be classified into different types, such as castles, villages, or capitals. A claim build may include houses, production sites like mines and farms, defensive structures, and special buildings such as harbors. Claim builds are split into military and civilian types. Some claim builds enable your faction to claim new regions, while others allow for the creation of armies or provide other strategic benefits. Factions are the core groups that players belong to, each controlling its own territories and resources. Your faction is your community on the server, working together to expand your influence, defend against enemies, and engage in diplomacy. Factions are led by leaders who manage resources, command armies, and make strategic decisions that affect the entire group. Armies are vital for defending your faction's territory and expanding your influence. An army is composed of NPC units that have specific costs, known as tokens. Each army has a maximum token capacity, which limits the size and strength of the army. Armies are used to engage in battles, lay siege to enemy claim builds, and defend your faction's regions. Properly managing your armies, including their composition and movement, is crucial to your faction's success in war. Lastly, we have trade companies. Trade companies function similarly to armies, but focus on commerce and expansion through trade rather than combat. They allow your faction to establish trade routes and settle distant regions that are not directly connected to your faction's territory. Trade companies can also facilitate resource exchange and diplomatic agreements between factions, making them an essential part of your faction's economic strategy. That wraps up the key concepts you'll need to understand as you dive into the world of Arda's Legends. See you in the game.